Today we're going to replace the cart wire lead. This is the wire that the battery plugs into on the cart. And what I'd like to do is turn the cart upside down, folded position, and remove the wheels from the cart and just put them under the frame to support it, keep it from rocking back and forth. You're going to want to remove these 6 screws here. To take those out. Once you have all the screws out, you want to open up the cover plate. This is the circuit board in here. We also call it the control box. And you want to follow this wire through into the box and remove it. And that, just pulling on these, wiggling them a little bit off the posts. They can be a little tight sometimes. So you remove these red and black wires from the posts there and pull this, remove this from the frame. Take your new cart wire lead, feed it through the frame underneath here, and then you want to plug them back in. You want to have the red wire towards the outside of the box. Just push that down on there, make it sure it's good and secure. Black wire towards the middle of the box. Then you can replace the rubber gasket and the cover plate and all the screws, and you'll be done.